Yes, I know I'm late for work. I'm sorry. Didn't I tell you I have boat madness? Yeah, it's a real disease. Yeah, fire me. I don't care. I can get unemployment. Just go ahead, fire me. But I cannot quit. Yeah, and on Thursday I had potato salad. I don't really like potato salad. Woo! I made it. I'm really getting better. I'm getting a lot better at this driving thing. I've really been working on it hard. Yes. I'm really sorry I didn't show up to your birthday. Don't you listen to me. You try to fucking fire me. Just fucking try it. Yeah, I'll be there in a second. I gotta go to work. Hey, how you doing? Come on in. Come on in. Come on in. Come. Ever since I was diagnosed with boat madness, I've started to live under this abandoned dock. It's pretty good. I enjoy it. I'm close to the ocean. I have some comfort still. Running water. Over ocean's always a running. Got my LA looks. I was able to grab that before I lost control. I got a nice place. What can I say? I'm a good guy. This is the back door. Anytime anything happens, I can just slip right through. It's pretty sweet, pretty sweet. You know, big stereotype about people with boat madness is that they can't keep relationships. But I got this dog! He's a good dog. Aren't you a good dog? Huh? Don't you want to live with me? You don't want to live with me. You don't want to live with me. I'm the good guy. Goodbye, home.